Beauty. What is beauty? It's a state that we hope to preserve, a fleeting feeling that we want to reproduce, a sound that we fully understand. Beauty is indeed more than what meets the eye. That feeling when you listen to a song and you are truly absorbed by the music and entirely consumed by the emotion that lets your mind dance and makes you surrender to the moment. Have you ever experienced true beauty? That moment of pure clarity and happiness that it comes with. The Harman Kardon premium sound system in all new Mini models is here to enhance your every ride and all your journeys with captivating sound. In your new unique and head-turning Mini, you will always have exhilarating sound for all senses available, right at your fingertips. With state-of-the-art technology and sophisticated modern design, it's here for that little moment of clarity and happiness that defines beauty. Feel the sound of beauty by Harman Kardon and Mini.